Welcome, my amazing learners. We're continuing to learn about being a digital citizen. Now, this lesson is called Internet Traffic Light. Red is for stop, yellow is for caution, and green is for go. Now, do you remember this story about a little girl that went into the woods and she went into somebody's house and she saw their porridge? One porridge was too hot, one was too cold, and one was just right. And she ate it all up. Do you remember that story? If you remember the name of that story, just type it in the comments for me or send me a message in Google Classroom so that I know that you remember. Now, when you think about that story with that little girl trying to find the porridge that was just right for her, it will be a similar thing for you children as we learn about the internet traffic light. Stop, caution, go. Question: how do you stay safe when visiting a website or app? How do you stay safe? Think about it. When you play outside without a grown-up, what are some of the things you do to stay safe? We all know that when we're playing outside, we shouldn't go into strangers' cars. We shouldn't go too far away from home. We should let our parents or our guardians know where we are going. All of those things you do to help you stay safe. But there are so many other things you can add to the list. Let's listen to this video.
We go online to find new things to do and see. The internet traffic light shows where we need to be. Green means go, to sites we trust. Yellow means slow, being safe is a must. Red means stop, ask if it's okay. Trust your gut to go the right way. Green means go, to sites we trust. Yellow means slow, being safe is a must. Red means stop, ask if it's okay. Trust your gut to go the right way.
Okay, so green means go. These are the sites and the apps that we're sure work just fine and they're just right for you at your age and stage. Yellow means caution, proceed with care. Red means stop. You need to check in with a grown-up if you ever get to a site where you're not sure about. So let us go through it again. Just right means something that is appropriate or fitting. What is a green website or app? It is a site or app that is just right for you. 2, fun, with things for you to do or see. 3, has appropriate words. So green means go. G, green, G, go. Green means go. What are some green websites or apps you visit? How do you know they're safe and just right for you? You can think about it. You can share it with anybody who is at home with you. But let me remind you, children, that the sites that your teacher recommends to you or the sites that we use together are generally safe for you to use. What is a yellow website or app? This is 1, a site you're not sure is just right for you. 2, the words are hard for you to read. 3, one that asks for information such as who you are, where you live, or your phone number. 4, a site that has you fill out a form. So this is a site where you have to be cautious about. Slow down, think about it, talk to a grown-up your parent, your guardian, your teacher, and make sure that everything is fine. Okay? So caution means being careful. What is a red website or app? 1. Has everything that a yellow site has. 2. A site that is clearly not just right for you. 3. A place you have gone by accident. 4. Filled with pictures, words, and videos that are for older kids or adults. 5. A place where you are allowed to chat with people you don't know. So stop. Red means stop. Okay? So those kind of websites or apps, you stop. You can ask if you're curious, talk to a grown-up, get some guidance from your teacher, but you don't just go on there and talk to people that you don't know and give out information. Have you ever been to a red website or app? How did you know it was not right for you? Think quietly about the questions and share your response with a partner. Now remember, children, we're not in the classroom, so you can talk about this with anybody who is taking care of you at home. Let's watch this.
We go online to find new things to do and see. The internet traffic light shows where we need to be. Green means go, to sites we trust. Yellow means slow, being safe is a must. Red means stop, ask if it's okay. Trust your gut to go the right way. Green means go, to sites we trust. Yellow means slow, being safe is a must. Red means stop, ask if it's okay. Trust your gut to go the right way.
Okay, so that was another wonderful song, and you can always read it, learn the words, you can sing it with your friends because it will help you to remember how to make good choices, smart choices. Now, there's a little game that I'm going to link in the description box below. You take 2 steps forward if it lands on green, 1 step forward if it lands on yellow, no steps, 0 steps if it goes on red. Now, you're going to pause and think. Draw a picture to show what you would do if you accidentally went on a not right website, and write about what you should do if you accidentally get to a not right website. So you have some drawing and writing to do, and I can't wait to see your answers because I know that you learned something new, you are ready to apply what you learned, and to show mommy and daddy how you are becoming a digital citizen. So thank you for watching. I'm looking forward to another video where you will learn so much more.